Thank you. Thank you. This is Copenhagen, my first day exploring here. I have absolutely no idea where I am, except that I am like a 10-minute walk from my hostel. I arrived yesterday late in the evening, a long 8-hour bus journey from Oslo, Norway, and then spent today inside working on some stuff earlier. It is now like 6 o'clock or something like that, and so I just had some really good Thai food. I will show some Danish food, don't worry. And now just walking around and exploring, and as you can see, it is raining. It just started sprinkling a little bit, and it is quite cold for being early May. I actually have long underwear on, and then my hat and gloves and stuff, so spring is not here today. I'm sure they've had some warmer days earlier. But anyways, just going to walk down this way, give a little taste of things. Lots of bicycles, lots and lots and lots of bicycles. And boats. Breakfast from 9:30 until 1 in the afternoon. That's my style. Looks like that is trash in multiple languages. Basura, I think that's Spanish. Litter, Abfall, Affault. I don't know what the other languages are. European languages. That's about $11 for a lobster soup. They use the Danish kroner. All of the Nordic countries use kroners, but they are different. Danish kroner, Swedish kroner, Norwegian kroner, Icelandic kroner, but it is their separate currency for each country. Takeaway beer for about $5.
Ooh, I'm gonna post one of the two of us in umbrellas and I'm gonna get captions through rain or shine.
I wonder if that means you can just walk around drinking a beer in Copenhagen. Not quite sure about that. And so I am staying at a hostel, as I mentioned, here in Copenhagen. 3 more nights, and then might stay again another night or 2 past that. And then I have no idea yet exactly where I'm going from here, but I will be exploring Europe for the next number of weeks, and heading in the general direction of Eastern Europe and the Balkan countries of Slovenia and Croatia and Montenegro, Albania, and then maybe end up in Greece eventually. We'll see about that. It's all flexible here.
Having the name of one of these churches. You see the flag house? On the other side of the bridge, on the right side.
All right, I'll just walk up here, get a little more of a view of the water. And it's starting to sprinkle just a little bit harder. I wonder what tomorrow is going to be like. It would be nice if it were sunny for better filming conditions and just to warm things up. I'm ready now for some warm weather. All right, this is where you got to watch out, man, because the bicycles rule, and they fly too. All right, there you go. Just a taste of Copenhagen. More coming from Copenhagen and beyond. See ya.